starting us off on Monday, eventually working our way to 25 degrees warmer than normal. And yes, that means we flirt with the 70-degree mark for the first half of the work week before a series of cold fronts move through, bringing us precipitation and that chance of some snowfall, maybe even sleet rolling through the area. Right now, though, when we just focus in on the heat coming our way, we're looking at 34 degrees in Bel Air. Good evening to you in Parkton as you get ready for dinner at 35. Annapolis looking at 36 and Easton now 37. The jump in the last 24 hours is most significant, found further to the west. So Thurmont 13 degrees warmer, Westminster 9. This heat moving in our direction. So Chestertown, you're only 5 degrees warmer than the last 24 hours, but get ready to jump on that, like trampoline jump on that, as we should see temperatures flirt with the 60-degree mark for us on our Monday, and it just continues to climb for the first half of the work week. It's all in part due to the winds. For now, we mostly have a southerly wind. However, we're still seeing them a little bit breezy at times in Annapolis at 16 miles per hour, but overall, not too bad in Bel Air and in the Inner Harbor. We should end up seeing tomorrow's wind sustain 5 miles per hour, fairly light, keeping that southerly component pumping in the heat. But as the week progresses, we'll start to know the breeze increasing as well. So really, Monday is the best day by far. Go ahead and walk the NCR trail. The kids are off of school, taking their bike out, maybe even learning how to roller skate. High pressure and control, that's what's delivering us those southerly winds. So for tomorrow, it allows us to jump almost 15 degrees warmer than normal, putting us near the 60s with plenty of sunshine. Maybe later in the day, we might pick up a few clouds, but overall, it is really going to be delightful. Tuesday, we start to shake things up for us. Still a southerly wind, so temperatures are yet again going to jump about 5 degrees. But here's those gusts we've been talking about. Now we should see some gusts near 30 miles an hour. Not going to be all day, but as the storm system approaches, we'll start to notice those winds increasing. The rain and clouds are also going to begin to come our way. So this is not going to be fairly dry, although we are warming up, which is why Monday, that is the best day of the week, even though it's not the warmest. By 9 a.m., 40 degrees as those kiddos are eating their pancakes and waffles at home. 1 o'clock, now we're at 55 degrees for President's Day. This is out toward Baltimore. And then by 5 p.m., a few clouds sneak in, looking like the mid-50s. Out toward Annapolis, plenty of sunshine to start things off. 8 a.m., you're into the upper 30s. By noon, the low 50s for you. And now 6 p.m., you fall to about 49 degrees. But we're not talking about cold air coming our way. We are just going to focus on the warm air, all in part due to the wind. Now remember, here we go, starting you off tonight. We're not really looking at much as far as gusts up to around 25, 30 miles per hour. They're pretty much comfortable for us. It's as we head throughout Tuesday, we now start to see those winds really begin to increasing for us. So look at the greens, the yellows all coming into play here. This is by 6 p.m. now, right? Seeing some 30-mile-per-hour gusts there. Annapolis 25, 27 out for Stevensville. The gusts will be up there as we get some rain moving through the region, although maybe only picking up 1/4 of an inch of rainfall for us by our Tuesday. Look what happens Wednesday. Now forget about just gusty. We go ahead and call it breezy all day long with a 30% chance of showers, especially in the morning. That's the day temperatures soar to 70 degrees. But then as the evening comes our way, we'll start to notice temperatures quickly dropping off to 35 degrees. Thursday only 42. And look what happens Thursday night to Friday. We dip to that 32-degree mark, which is why snow is in our forecast. We'll be right back.